Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Destila Dinurmaya Mardini.
My name is Naila Putri Salsabila.
We're from 11-4.
Have you ever been to another continent?
No, I've never been there before, but I wish I could travel to another continent someday.
You have ever eaten really spicy food?
I have, but I couldn't handle the spice, so I didn't finish my food.
Have you ever lost your cell phone?
I have too, but it was just because I forgot to put it somewhere. Have you ever traveled by train?
I have, but it was a long time ago and I wish I could travel by train again.
Have you ever cooked dinner for someone?
Of course I have, and they said it tastes good and they love it.
Have you ever eaten sushi?
I have, and I think it tastes really good. You should try it if you've never eaten sushi.